Hello my dear friends, today I'll be talking about a flaxseed tea. What will happen in your body if you decide one day that you will drink flaxseed tea minimum for the 15 days in a row. Flaxseed is maybe the oldest superfood in our planet. It's really known that flaxseed existed 6,000 years ago. This is really like mind-blowing. In today's show you will learn a lot about this. At the end of the show I will give you a special recipe. Just one serving of flaxseed provides a good amount of protein, fiber, omega-3 fatty acid, along with several important vitamins and minerals. Flaxseed are excellent source of dietary fiber and a plant-based protein. Flaxseed contains zero cholesterol. They are rich in alpha-linoleic acid, omega-3 fatty acid, and lignans. The minerals present in these seeds include thiamine, manganese, and magnesium. They are also a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, calcium, iron, potassium, and the sodium. Lignans are the natural hormones that block the action of the bad estrogen, which can lead to develop of the breast cancer. And this is my first recommendation for you. If you drink regularly flaxseed tea, researchers are well documented this, you get a very good chance to not get any breast cancer. Before we continue with the show, I want to tell you, my dear viewers, my new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 is coming out soon. Much about my new book at the end of the show. It has a lot of anti-cancer properties, especially for the breast cancer. Right now, I want you to really know that breast cancer is the #1 cancer for the woman. So this especially means it can help you in the level of estrogen in your body. Flaxseed is gonna really help you. They are excellent source of selenium, which is important for many health benefits. Consume it especially in the winter months because it will protect you from the colds, viruses, and the flu. Furthermore, this tea is excellent for the health of the heart and the blood vessels. In this way, you significantly reduce risk of the heart attack and the stroke. Of course, it will burn fat naturally and faster. A couple more very interesting facts about the flaxseed tea. Usually, when you think about it, your gut microbiome, and I was taking a lot of consideration, and I was taking a lot of my videos in the last 5 years. When your gut microbiome is very good, you will have a very good immunity. When you drink flaxseed tea, your gut microbiome is gonna go up, and it would be very good for your health. Also, when you drink this tea, you reduce your stress, anxiety, and depression in the lower level. That is also very good. And very good news for all people that have discomfort in your joints. You have arthritis in your hip, bones, maybe you have the back pain or whatever. Usually we know that drinking of flaxseed tea is going to reduce inflammation in your joints and will help you a lot. In this way, the cartilage in the joints works better and you have the less pain, swelling, and the stiffness. Improves the health of the eyes and the prostate. Prevents the development of the colon cancer, which is incredible news. In this way, you support skin health, reduce appearances on the wrinkles, and naturally fight skin diseases such as eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Flaxseed is also very well known for control the blood sugar in your body. This means you're going to prevent diabetes or insulin resistance. That is one of the major problems in modern world. This is also very good and exciting news. When you drink this tea, you gonna have the weight loss. This seed can also help you in the weight loss because they are rich in the fiber and certain other healthy fats. They also help improve metabolism, lower the risk of digestive problems, and reduce risk of obesity. Also, this is very important. You really want to know how you're gonna make this tea. If you heard me before, you want to drink this tea in many cases 50 days in a row. After 50 days you must take a rest period. You make this and this way. Ingredients: 2 small spoons of flaxseed, 500 milliliters of boiling water, a little lemon juice, and 1 small spoon of organic honey. Boil 500 milliliters of water and add 2 small spoons of flaxseed. Reduce the heat and let the water and seed simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, strain the tea, let it cool for another 10 minutes and add lemon juice and little bit of honey. And for this is, easiest way to make this flaxseed tea. You can drink this as I said it before, but a couple more interesting information when you're drinking this tea. Also, it reduces the ovarian dysfunction. In menstruating women, a regular consumption of the flaxseed is shown inhibits cycle changes and reduce the ovarian dysfunction. Also, flaxseed consumption can reduce dry eye syndrome. Also, the omega fatty acid can reduce risk of macular degeneration and eye disease caused by damaged nerve in the eye. So, ovarian problems also are very good for the eye problems. This is like unbelievable tea. Usually people don't drink it. You can also take this flaxseed in the meal eating every day. Is totally fine, but for today's show it's almost important. You can drink this tea and make it as it's recommended, and you get a lot of help, and you're gonna be a lot better. If you have any kind of suggestion how you making maybe flaxseed tea, or maybe you drinking flaxseed tea on a regular basis, please comment below. Maybe other health benefits I didn't mention it, but you are experienced it. Leave it in the comments below. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye. My new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 coming out soon. You will learn more about the rich history of the use of the plants in the healing and their role in traditional medicine. You will learn how to grow your own medicinal plants, discover how to properly use natural medicines with advice on the dosage, possible side effects, and interaction with other medicines, especially these chemical medicines that you receive regularly in your medical offices. This book is going to teach you a lot, and you will not anymore need this chemical medicine that had a large a number of side effects. You don't need injections. You will need no more operation if you learn what is the natural remedy and what is the best natural remedy in this world. So this is part 1 of the 4th part book that will come out this year and the next year. Amazing Natural Remedy Part 1 is an ideal guide for use of natural remedies in the fight against the worst diseases of the modern man. Another important piece of information: that book will be available for pre-order from the May 1st on MarioLab.hr, my own website. The book is officially published 10th May, and then we start sending it all over the world. From 1st May till 31st May, we are giving away 50% discount on the purchase of the first book. For everyone who wants to buy my first book, Intermittent Fasting, The Secret of Health and Longevity, together with my second book, Wonderful Natural Remedies Part 1, in package. 2 books together in period from May 1st to May 31st. We granted discount on 25%. Those discounts are my gift to you, and a couple more very important information. From the May, the book is gonna be on sale on English and on Croatian language. On those 2 languages right now, book would be sold. On many more languages we are going to translate this book, but this translation is gonna take a little bit more time. In next couple of months you will heard from me a couple more information related to the translation of these books. From now you need to know, from the 1st May you can pre-order Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 on Croatian and English language on MarioLab.hr. See you!